Greetings and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dr. Dewey Stevens. Today we are continuing on our Latin fusion journey. We're making a smoked salmon quesadilla with manchego cheese and it's going to be served with a chipotle crema and a pico de gallo. So let's get started.
We're going to start with the pico de gallo so we can get that out of the way and give it some time to marinate. Just your standard trio of ingredients: tomatoes, red onion, cilantro. This is super easy to do. I always keep a small variety of tomatoes so I can use exactly how many I need. Some diced red onion, some cilantro. We're also going to add some garlic, some lime juice, salt, and pepper. I'm also going to add this into, I use it in pico or guacamole. If you don't have anything like this, don't sweat it. Salt and pepper and some cumin ought to do the trick. Mix it all together, cover and let it chill in the fridge.
Okay, I've got some, this is just some store-bought smoked salmon. You should be able to find something similar at your local grocery store. So I'm just going to shred it into some nice chunks, relatively small. You don't need to tear it to shreds, but you don't want huge chunks either. Okay, next we're going to grate our cheese. I like to use the big size grate. You could use the small if you like. Do whatever you like. You do you. Drizzle in some canola oil. Okay, when the oil starts to shimmer, we're gonna toss in our bottom tortilla, a bit of cheese, our smoked salmon, a little more cheese, and our top tortilla. Give this a flip, nice and easy. And get this off into a cooling rack. A little more oil and we'll start with the next one.
Now we'll start on the crema. I've got some chipotles and adobo sauce. They're a bit messy. Cut off the top, remove the seeds, or leave them in if you want them spicier. I would ordinarily leave them in, but I live with other people that don't appreciate my level of spice. Go figure. If you've never heard of crema, it's the Spanish word for cream. It's very similar to creme fraiche. I made this ahead of time because it takes a couple days, but you can also find it in the dairy aisle. I'll share that recipe with you in the description below. Take some of your crema, add it to a mason jar, add your chipotle, and use your immersion stick blender. Give it a good minute or so to ensure it's thoroughly mixed.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and cut these up. You can hear that nice good crunch. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Please tune in next week when we are going to finish off our Latin fusion journey. We're going to be making dessert. It's going to be a Mexican chocolate pâte de crème. If you consider subscribing to support my YouTube channel, I really appreciate it. We'll see you next time, and thanks everyone.